everyone. In this lecture, we will dive into the basics of Burp Suite. Burp Suite is a powerful web application security testing tool developed by the company Podspeaker. It is widely used for penetration testing of web application, helping us to identify and exploit security vulnerabilities. Burp Suite is built on a modular architecture. That means it allows us to customize the tool according to our specific needs. In this lecture, we will explore the core components of Burp Suite, including proxy. This component intercepts and modifies web traffic. It allows us to see and change the data being sent between your browser and the web application. Spider. The spider automatically crawls the web application. It finds all the pages and forms, helping us to understand the entire scope of the application. Scanner. The scanner identifies vulnerabilities automatically. It scans for common security issues like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and many more. Intruder. The intruder performs automated attacks to find weakness. All these components work together to provide a comprehensive security solution. Now, let's take a look at the different editions of Burp Suite. First, we have the Community Edition. This edition is free to use and includes all the essential Burp functionalities. This is a great starting point for beginners, but it does have some limitations. It doesn't include automated vulnerability scans, and the speed on the intruder tab is very limited. That's why we'll use the professional edition for this course. This is a paid version for single users. It provides all the main Burp features including automated vulnerability scans and allows unlimited speed on request. This edition is perfect for those who need more advanced features. Finally, there is an enterprise edition. This is also a paid version, but this is designed for the enterprises. It includes the same feature as the pro version, but is suitable for the multiple users and applications. One of the features is the dashboard, which allows us to monitor the overall security of the company. This edition is used by the major companies like Cisco, Wells Fargo, PayPal, and NASA. To summarize, Burp Suite is an essential tool for any web application security tester. Whether you are just starting out with the Community Edition or using the advanced feature of the Professional or Enterprise Edition, it provides the tool you need to effectively secure web application. In the upcoming lectures, we will dive deeper into each components of the Burp Suite and we will demonstrate how to effectively use in the real world scenarios. Stay tuned. Thank you.